Hello, it's Hanno from Apglos. Today I will teach you how to change the antenna height in Apglos Survey Wizard. This is very important to be able to survey with the correct height. Besides the height of the rod, it's really necessary to also know the ARP of your GNSS receiver. On our website we will add a complete database with the ARPs of lots of GNSS receivers, so please check that out. But for now, just check this tutorial. So yeah, we want to change the antenna height. First we go to the settings menu, and here we click on the current antenna height, and we change the height as we want. Take into account that it's not only the rod height but also the ARP. After that you click on OK. You see that here in the settings menu the height of the antenna is already changed, and then we click OK. Now we can survey with the right antenna height and get the correct height. Thank you for watching.